Okay, let's get rock.
Oh, he's there as well, isn't he?
Yeah. Okay.
You see Thomas? He's over there. Go round. Go round and go and see him. Follow Isabel.
Yeah, there's one at the top corner as well. Right, away we go then.
Yep, off we go. Driving on Pullman car 73. Off we go. Tommy in the cameo. Oh, there's LNER 458. Bless you from your sneeze. Bless you from your sneeze. She comes to that. Bless you from your second sneeze. So she came to that time of year when we're sneezing. Oh well, I was sneezing a lot yesterday, not just you.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. I was even sneezing on the bus yesterday. But at least I didn't spread any disease, thankfully. It's a 37 miniature locomotive. Very powerful miniature locomotive, that one. Do you know how many trailers it could pull in one go? It could pull 3 in one go, the 37. 37 and Trains and Railways Productions. Joyful 70-year-old in the cameo. Okay, that should be fine, waiting. Off we go. One of the volunteers.
Why does the person always need to be in our way?
Let's go. drive, Peter? You want to drive?
Thank you.
Right, thanks very much.
There's a friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman in a cameo, smiling away. Meeting any former BR signal mates of yours?
What?
Meeting any former BR signal mates of yours?
Quite a few.
Okay, that's nice.
After the tea.
Yeah, there he is.
Yeah, go on, Oliver.
Smile at the camera.
Thank you. Just going to have a cup of tea.
Okay.
Thanks very much. Your mum made it.
Oh, careful. Never mind. That was a fun ride. Thank you for the staggering and fantastic ride.
Oh, that's good, okay.
This is going on. Have you seen my YouTube videos yet?
No, I'm not annoying.
I know, but I mean, has anyone showed them from HP?
Yeah, it'd be nice to have a look at them, yeah.
Who?
A cousin of mine.
A cousin of yours?
Yeah.
Well, did he search up HP Miniature Railway 2017 and he told you?
Yeah, I was there, yeah.
And you were there? And did you see yourself on there?
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, nice.